Sure, Jim. And actually, thanks on behalf of the entire agency for being here. I mean, this is always a great venue for us to help communicate all of the initiatives that are going on inside of both DISA and the rest of the Defense Department.
Well, thank you. That's what it's meant to be, a way to get the word out.
And so when we look at this, we look at this volume, velocity, and variety of cyber threats that are hitting our environment. And when we look at it, I mean, I think we've got 5 areas that we've done really well on, and we're going to continue to see a press. First of all is in the area of continuous monitoring and our ability to reduce that manual work so that we remove the individual, the human factor, and increase that machine-to-machine blocking and tackling of the threat vectors.
Right.
The second one is in the area of PKI and how we're going to ensure the authentication and drive out anonymity inside, especially inside the classified fabric. The third area is on cyber workforce and how are we training and equipping, because the people are absolutely critical in this process. The fourth area is this operationalization of the cyber threat and how we're defending inside cyberspace. I mean, we recognize that cyberspace is a new warfighting domain. And when we look at it, we've ensured that our warfighters and our combatant commanders are using the best practices to defend the networks as part of their day-to-day operational practices. And the fifth one is that how are we trying to decompose the complexity of the environment? And you're seeing that in the initiatives that Mr. Kai is running with the Joint Information Environment, and how are we going to remove some of the complexity to ensure transparency to allow greater visibility of these assets.
Yeah, great.